Tim Richard recently posted a video titled, "I made 60 YouTube videos and got 100K subscribers. Here's what worked." That headline is powerful. 60 videos, 100,000 subscribers. But the real question isn't whether it happened. The real question is that repeatable? Let's pressure test this. First, the 60 videos claim. 60 videos over what time frame? Was it 1 year, 2 years? Was it once per week, twice per week? Because 60 videos by itself doesn't mean anything without context. And here's something most beginners don't understand. YouTube growth is rarely linear. It's usually non-linear, meaning 1 or 2 breakout videos often drive the majority of subscriber growth. So instead of asking, "Can I get 100K in 60 videos?" the smarter question is, what percentage of that growth came from breakout hits? That's distribution, not magic. Next, Tim says, any video can blow up. Technically, that's true. YouTube doesn't require a large subscriber base for a video to take off. But statistically, most videos never cross 1,000 views. So while opportunity exists, probability matters. Beginners don't need optimism, they need skill stacking, packaging, retention, topic demand, audience positioning. Those are controllable variables. Now, let's talk about title and thumbnail first. This is actually strong advice. He's describing packaging before production. But here's the deeper layer. Your thumbnail and title are not decoration. They are a hypothesis. You are testing whether someone will choose your video over 10 others. Your job is not to make good videos. Your job is to make videos people choose. Then you earn the watch time. Now the shorts argument. Tim says shorts can hurt a long-form channel. There's truth here, but it's nuanced. The real issue isn't format. It's audience intent alignment. If your shorts attract viewers who don't care about your long-form content, you dilute signal quality. That doesn't mean shorts are bad. It means mismatched audience psychology is bad. Big difference. Then consistency. Everyone says, be consistent, but consistency without improvement just trains the algorithm to ignore you. The real principle is iterative consistency. Each upload should sharpen your packaging, your hook, your retention, your clarity. Now analytics. He says, don't obsess over them. That's healthy advice psychologically. But strategically, you should obsess over the right metrics. Click-through rate, audience retention curves, average view duration. Ignore vanity metrics like subscriber count refreshing every 5 minutes. Analytics are tools, not entertainment. Finally, making videos for one person. This is probably his strongest point. Clarity beats scale early. If you speak clearly to 1,000 people, you can grow. If you vaguely speak to everyone, you stay invisible. So here's the conclusion. Tim Richard's advice isn't hype, but the framing can mislead beginners. 60 videos to 100K is not a formula. It's an outcome. The real takeaway isn't the number 60, it's this. Strong packaging, audience clarity, retention focus, skill improvement, and understanding that growth is non-linear. That's the repeatable part. Everything else is highlight reel framing. And if you understand that difference, you're already ahead of most new creators.